Unlocking Algebra. The magic of factoring equations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its application in various subjects. Today, we have an exciting topic that bridges the gap between language learning and mathematics: factoring the equation. Understanding this phrase is not only about grasping mathematical concepts but also about enhancing your English comprehension, especially in academic and scientific contexts. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets of algebra. First things first, let's break down the phrase, factor the equation. In mathematical terms, to factor means to break down a complex expression into simpler pieces that, when multiplied together, give back the original expression. An equation, on the other hand, is a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions, typically involving variables and constants. Combining these definitions, factoring the equation involves transforming the equation into a simpler form where we express it as a product of its factors. This process is crucial for solving equations, especially quadratic equations, which are equations of the second degree. You might wonder, why is it important to factor equations? The answer lies in the simplicity and solvability. Factoring an equation can make it easier to solve, especially when dealing with quadratics or polynomials. By breaking down a complex expression into simpler factors, we can solve for the variables more straightforwardly, often allowing us to find the roots of the equation, the values of the variable that make the equation true. Let's put theory into practice with a simple example. Consider the quadratic equation x2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0, x squared 5x plus 6 equals 0 by 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. To factor this equation, we look for two numbers that multiply to give the constant term, plus 6, and add to give the coefficient of the middle term, minus 5. In this case, those numbers are minus 2 and minus 3, allowing us to rewrite the equation as x minus 2, x minus 3, equals O, x2, x3, equals O, x minus 2, x minus 3, equals 0. Now, by applying the zero product property, if the product of two factors is 0, then at least one of the factors must be 0. We can easily find the roots of the equation, which are x equals 2x equals 2x equals 2 and x equals 3x equals 3x equals 3. Mastering the skill of factoring equations takes practice and patience. Here are a few tips to help you along the way. Understand the basics of algebraic expressions and operations. Practice regularly with different types of equations to recognize patterns. Learn and apply different factoring techniques, such as factoring by grouping, using special products, and the quadratic formula when direct factoring is not possible. Seek feedback and clarification when you encounter difficulties. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating process of factoring equations and how it applies to both mathematics and English language comprehension. Remember, the key to mastering any concept is curiosity and continuous practice. We encourage you to explore more examples and exercises to become confident in factoring equations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.